I provided 3 examples of where you might find this technique to come in handy. It's helped me quite a bit, and I'm sure it can help you too. I'll show you how to do it next. Thanks.
Today I'd like to demonstrate how to make a scalene triangle, which is a triangle with 3 uneven sides. Normally you have a triangle, you have a specific dimension on the bottom, and then you have the 2 sides are equal. But if you have 3 different measurements, then this is how you would go about doing it. So we'll do a scalene with 23 on the bottom, 18 on the left, and 25 on the right. Okay, 18 on the bottom, and then what you got to do, it's going to be 23 here. What you got to do is make an arc. Just put your finger right there on the 23. Go a little higher here. And then the next measurement I think was 25. So you put it on the pencil mark you made of the 18. And what you do is where that 25 intersects that arc, you put a mark there. Okay, then what you do, spill chalk all over everything. Intersect it there at that pencil mark where it lined up with the arch, and then there, I put my knee down there on top of that, and then you snap that. Another little trick is to take your knife, and I got off a little bit there. Take your knife and make a slot. At that pencil mark, and then you can line that up right there. See? Oh, guess I didn't make it deep enough. Line that up. Yeah, you can see I got off a little bit. So anyway, then you got 18, 23, and 25. See there, that's about the only way you're going to be able to get it. I hope you liked it, and if you do, give me a thumbs up. I got some more videos on my channel of other tricks, and check those out too. Thanks.